Hey guys, Samantha Starlight 808 here. So today I got these two Wicked Care Bears that just came in the mail today. And it's the Elphaba and Glinda Care Bears from Wicked. And I assume there's a second movie coming out this next month, November or something. So yeah. So I'm gonna unbox them and review them to you. So let's start with the green Care Bear. So as you can tell, this Care Bear is inspired by Elphaba, the Green Witch, the Wicked Witch of the West. So I'm gonna call this Good Luck Elphaba Bear. So let's get her out of the package, like so. Okay, so here it is. Here she is out of the package. And look at the details. It's got a tag that says Wicked and Care Bears. Yeah. Okay. How do I do this? Okay. Oh. So as you can see, it says Good Luck Bear as Elphaba. So that's why I called her Good Luck Elphaba Bear. So yeah. And it's from Basic Fun and Cloud Approvified by the wizard. Yeah. So as you can see, she's got a belly badge of a lucky 4-leaf clover, and a witch hat, and some sparkles, green sparkles. She's got purple and green ears, a witch's hat, and of course a witch's cape. And there's a purple heart that says Care Bears. So that she looks really stunning. Her belly badge is all glittery and stuff. So that's Good Luck Elphaba Bear. And now I'm going to show you this pink Care Bear, which is called Glinda Care Bear. So I'll call her Love a Lot Glinda Bear. So let's get her out of the package. It's just like so. Okay, so here she is. She looks so beautiful. As you can see, she's got a realistic Glinda crown and a beautiful tutu in pretty in pink. And it's got a belly badge that's got 2 hearts, 2 crowns, and some pink sparkles. And her belly badge is all glittery. So is her dress, except the tutu. But the crown looks stunning with the holographic. That's awesome. So there's the tag again. And inside we have Love a Lot Bear as Glinda. So that's why I just called her Love a Lot Glinda Bear. And yep. And as you can see on the back, there's a pink heart and it says Care Bears on it. So she has glitter and pink ears, I think, yeah. And also a metallic magenta nose. Oh, Good Luck Elphaba Bear has a dark green nose, heart nose. And she has glittery paws. These are both hearts. On her foot, she has a sparkly, glittery heart on her foot, except the left foot. This is the letter. It has a glittery letter W that represents the first letter in the word Wicked. And same thing with Elphaba, Good Luck Elphaba Bear. She has black hearts on her paws and also on her right foot, but there's no glitter. But on the right foot, the left foot, this is the black letter W, which again represents the first letter in the word wicked. So, yeah. These two look so beautiful together. Pink looks good in green. That's what Glinda says. And it goes well with green, which is that Elphaba said. So, this is my toy unboxing and review video. So, I'll see you guys real soon. Bye!